The average American wastes 3 pounds of food every week. So I wanted to create a recipe that reduces food waste but doesn't compromise on flavor, and this radish salad with radish greens pesto is it. Go ahead and separate the radishes from the radish greens and then rinse those radish greens really well. Sometimes I even soak them in a bowl of water to really get all the sand and grit out. And you can actually make pesto with any kind of green, but today we're doing radish greens, so go ahead and throw in all the usual suspects when it comes to making pesto. Parmesan, pine nuts, garlic. That blends up into the most rich and decadent pesto. You're going to be so proud of yourself. All right, next up, the radish salad. Slice those really thinly and then mix them with everything else. I love to use a can of beans, more pine nuts, lemon zest is an absolute must, some mint and capers, and you'll just toss everything together. You might not actually need all of the pesto, so go ahead and just add a little bit at a time. The pesto is great served anywhere else, so you can use it on pasta, as a dip, or as a spread on sandwiches. And that is how you create a summery radish salad that reduces food waste and tastes so good. Let me know if you try it out.